This is the bag that we are going to be making today. So my name is Elijah Alice and you are welcome to my channel. If today is your first time of seeing my video, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video, share this video so that YouTube will push this video to others. So thank you for coming. This is Edo Bag Alice K YouTube channel. You are welcome. This is my phone number in case you need my number for business. We make bags for wholesale and retail. So now this is the measurement of the bag that I'm explaining. So go through the measurement of the bag. We have the main body, which is 16 by 11. We have the gusset, which is 23, the zip gusset by 4. And we have the top pocket 11 by 10, one piece with lining. So that is some of the things that we are using. So you will need your handle for the top handle. You will need the foam and also the lining, which is the net. So you need a zipper. We are used 18 inches at 23 inches long. So we need 4 zip head. You need your zip head. This is size 5. I use size 5. You can use any size that you like. You can use any size. This is our cord. Can you see it? This is the cord that we are using. Then we use our small belt. We use our small. It's 14 inches long. We need 2. Then we need the belt holder. We need a belt holder. So we need 2 belt holder. You will cut it 5 by 5. Then divide it into 2 to get this 2. So that is what we are going to be needing. So these are the handle. I've already sewed them. The shoulder strap, or you can call them the handle. So it's 2.5. I use 3 inches wide by 16. Then I just sew it right. I put my lining inside. We put my foam inside and the lining. I sew it. Then put the adjuster. So that's all I did. Then I sew it. So now it is time to sew the belt holder. So that is what I'm sewing now. Do it the way you see me do it. You put the belt inside and fold it into 2 like this. Fold it into 2. Then you sew. That's what I'm doing. So you sew it. Do the same thing to the second one. So after you do the same thing to the second one, then you sew it. So that is it. So the next thing to do is to fix it. See what I'm doing is to fix the hand holder. The belt holder is to fix it to the back piece of the bag. To fix it to the back piece, you measure 1.5. My measurement there is 1.5. 1.5. That is what I'm taking there. Then I'll place it. Then do the same thing to the other side. So now I'm attaching the sewing the shoulder strap. So you sew the shoulder strap like this. I'm sewing it. You sew it like this. Cut a small foam and put it. Then I'll use. It is time to fix the cord. After you have put the handle, the shoulder strap, then you now fix the cord to it. Can you see it? you fix the cord to it. You fix it like this. I'm actually sewing the cord and the lining. I'm sewing everything at once, so you can sew it once, you can sew them differently. So if you at this stage, if you I want to put foam, you can actually put foam inside. I want to insert foam inside, but I did not put. If you want to pad the bag at this time, you put the foam before you put the lining and the cord. So I'm working on the back piece now. So I'm done. Can you see it? So the next thing to do is to sew zipper. On the top pocket base. On the top pocket base. So the top pocket zip gusset, that's what I'm sewing zipper. After sewing it, then I'll press stitch. When you finish sewing it, then you press stitch it. So you press stitch it. Then when you start press stitching it, then you go ahead and sew your zip. You put your zip head. You go ahead and put your zip head. Can you see it? So you just sew it down like that way. Sew it down that way. Then you put your zip head. So now you see. So yes, I'm done. I've fixed the zip head. So can you see it? So that is what you do. So after you have fixed, you fix it. I actually fix it. This one on one side, one on the other side. Then I put the down gusset to it. And then sew it together like this. Then the next thing to do after sewing it together, you press stitch it. Please subscribe. If you have not yet subscribed, please click the subscription button at the down side of this video. Click it and click all so that you get notification anytime I upload a new video. So what I'm doing now, I'm fixing cord. I'm sewing the cord around the top pocket, which is 11 by 10. So I'll fix the cord around it before I will now fix that gusset around it. I'll fix the cord and lining. I'm putting the cord and lining first. You can decide not to put, but I put it in this one. So that is what I'm doing now. Can you see it? So that is what I'm doing. So then I close it up with a piece of leather. Then I notch the gusset up and down. I notch the up and down of the gusset. And then can you see? Then I will sew it round. So that is what I did there. So after notching it, I'll sew it round until I'm done sewing it. So if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to this video, like it, share it so that YouTube, that is the way you can support me, the way you can support this channel. Your support is by liking, subscribing. Make sure you like, make sure you drop your comment. If you have a question, drop it in the comment section. I have finished typing it. So now is to fit. This is the front piece. I get the center point of the front piece, then get the center point of the pocket, then I start sewing it. Can you see it? So that is what I'm doing. So I'll start sewing it. I'll sew it that way, then sew it close to the edge. So after then the next thing to do is to bring it down. You bring it down, notch the center and sew it to the base. Then you sew it around that way. Sew it around. I'm sewing it around now. After I've sewn it, I will now bring it down, press stitch, and sew it around. Can you see the way I'm doing it? So please subscribe to this channel. Have you subscribed? If you have subscribed, thank you. To my returning subscribers, thank you. Thank you. To those people who are just coming for the first time, thank you. You are welcome. My name is Elijah Alice. I'm a bag maker. So in any way that you want to support this channel, we'll be very grateful. But the first support we need is for you to share this video, like this video, subscribe to our channel. Please always watch our videos to the end. So now you see I'm done fixing it. It's time to I'm even done fixing the cord. I'm done fixing the cord. Then the next thing to do is to fix the pocket. I measure 5.5 inches from the center of the gusset, the down gusset, and I fix my pocket there 5.5 inches from the center. Then I fix my gusset there, my pocket there on the gusset of the bag, the down gusset. I did the same thing to the other side, and I sew it. Can you see it now? So yes, please subscribe. If you are getting value from this video, subscribe, comment. Make sure you always comment, like our videos, please. If you have not yet liked, click the like button and like our video. Give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up. That is how you used to encourage us. And if there's any way you want to encourage us by supporting us, this is my number on the screen. You can WhatsApp me. If you want to buy from us, we sew in bulk. We sew school bag for school. If you want to supply to a school, we sew lunch boxes. We sew in wholesale and retail. So support us. Support this little channel. Refer us to people. If you need souvenir for any party, you can reach out to us. We'll be available to take your order. We deliver within Nigeria. We deliver nationwide. Just call us, WhatsApp this number on the screen, and you will get to us. So we will do everything for you, and you will like it. So that is it. So now we are now sewing the, after we have sewed the gusset, so we will now sew it to the body of the bag. And if you like to register for our training, our classes, yes, we are open for classes. If you are new in bag making and you want to, you can also WhatsApp me. I can teach you from beginning, and you will be a bag maker. I learned it online, and I'm doing it today, and I'm doing it well. So if you need any training, you can reach out to me, and I will teach you how to go about that. And you just pay a token. It's not much. So now you join the side. I'm joining the side. After you have fixed the zip gusset and the down gusset to the main body, you will now join the sides together, and then you will stitch it. That's what I just did. Then I use bias to pipe it before I stitch it up. So now it is time to now put the back piece to the front piece. You notch it center to center, then you start sewing it center to center. Can you see the way I'm doing it? So that is how you do it. That's how you do it. If you do it well, the bag will come out well. Even if you are a beginner in bag making, if you take your time to watch this video, the thing will come out well. So that is it. So after you have finished doing it, you sew it round until you finish. So make sure that the notch is notch to notch. Make sure it's notch to notch. So can you see now? Yes, that is how to do it. It's not difficult. If you are a beginner and you want to register for a beginner's class, you are welcome. WhatsApp me, and I will tell you how to go about it. So now I'm using my taping belt to pipe it. I'm using my taping belt to pipe it now. That's what I'm doing now. So that is how you pipe it. You do it round until you are done with it. So can you see? So this is it. So we are done with it. We are done with it. Can you see? I'm done sewing it. So the next thing to do now is to turn it out. This is the final result. Thank you for watching. If you have watched to this extent, thank you very much. We are so grateful. Please subscribe, like this video. If you have not yet like this video, and share this video. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye. Thank you.